Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get cheap tickets to Universal Studio Orlando. So let's get started. So first of all, we have Groupon, which is one of the best websites that you could get your tickets from. And basically they offer consistent deals, including Universal Orlando tickets. And the current deal that they have is buy one two park 2-day ticket and get 2 additional free days. And the app is pretty easy to use with discount for other Orlando attractions like Kennedy Space Center and Icon Park. And for the second option, we have Universal Orlando Resort website. So basically you could get on their website and buy the tickets. And they have the similar kind of deals with Groupon, such as 2 extra days on 2-day ticket, and it would be easier for you if you signed up with your email, so you keep getting the updates and the new offers. And number 3, we have the Park Prodigami, which is an authorized travel agent recognized by Universal, and it basically offers cashback incentive and additional free buy for trip planning. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.